This is the new Tab S9 Ultra. Do you really need to update? Well, it depends. There are a couple of new features offered in Tab S9 Ultra which might shape your decision, but do they really matter for you on Tab S8 Ultra? These are some of the updates I have noticed. The most amazing feature on Tab S9 Ultra is its display. It comes with 14.6 inches dynamic AMOLED display which can go from 60Hz to 120Hz. Just a reminder, last year Tab S8 Ultra didn't have a variable refresh rate, which will help Tab S9 Ultra to last longer than the Tab S8 Ultra. It's a gigantic tablet, so using in one hand for a longer time makes it difficult, although it's not too heavy. It seems like this tablet is meant to put on a tabletop and work like a laptop instead of a tablet. Carrying this tablet is a bit difficult, but using at home is the best use case for this tablet. Tab S9 Ultra shares almost the same design as Tab S8 Ultra except a different camera design. You can put a Tab S8 case on the Tab S9 Ultra, but it will give you warning. Some of the features will not work, so you have to buy a new keyboard case for the Tab S9 Ultra. Seems like Samsung just listened to the users. This feature is not available on any other tablet. Yes, Tab S9 Ultra comes with both water and dust resistance. We get IP68 on Tab S9 Ultra. Because of this, you can take this tablet to anywhere without worrying about the durability, but try not to drop the Tab S9 Ultra. By having this much bigger display, it can easily get shattered. The battery life is a noticeable thing for the Tab S9 Ultra. This thing lasts too long. It shares the same battery from last year, 11,200. Upon 3-hour session on this beast while using various apps, Tab S9 Ultra only dropped about 28% of the battery, and while watching videos it only dropped about 7 to 9% with almost 60% of the battery, so you can watch a couple of movies with a single charge. It is worth mentioning that Tab S9 Ultra only comes with a wired charging. It takes about 80 hours to fully charge, which is completely okay as get this much battery out of the Tab S9 Ultra, and it can easily give us about 9 to 10 hours of screen on time apart from gaming. The software experience is good. With the One UI 5.1.1, it brings better animations compared to the previous gen. And you can even turn your Tab S9 Ultra into DeX, which will help you to run Tab S9 Ultra in a Windows mode where you can put multiple windows on a free canvas. It just gives you a more freedom for the multitasking. This thing is really powerful, the best Android tablet if you need performance. With the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 made for Galaxy, it brings both performance and power efficiency. Obviously, in your day-to-day usage, you won't feel much difference from Tab S8 Ultra to Tab S9 Ultra. Along with this, now the base model is different, 12 gigs and 256 gigs instead of 8 gigs and 128 gigs. So do you really need to update? This is an incremental update from Samsung, where the processor is changed and a couple of small updates. For Tab S8 Ultra users, this won't be a big update for them. But for the older versions of tablet, you should go for this beautiful 14.6 inches tablet. With that said, if you're confused for the battery life of the Galaxy Z Fold 5, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.